Welcome to our Talentelgia's first podcast. Today we have our special guest from our talented team, Mr. Abhishek Garg, a MERN stack developer. He has achieved something remarkable, like he has created a library with React query. So I want you to know that how he has done this innovative work, and let's discuss about his journey of creating this library.
So basically this library helps non-technical persons who do not know about the how to create a queries. So basically when we work with the database and we need to fetch some data from our database, then we need some queries there. So basically this library helps a UI design, provide you a UI design in which you can create a queries by making it easily. That's why I established this library named as React Query Force.
Okay. So from where you get this idea of creating a library and what its purpose, how it helps to your juniors or in Talentelgia team?
So as you know that on the daily basis we need to figure out more obstacles and we need to figure out some solution of these obstacles. Likewise, I am currently working on a new project named as Notion add-on. So in that client's demand needs to replace the React query which is already exists in this world. So my task is to replace that query builder. So that's why to manage that all that functionality I need to create my own library. By doing my task on the daily basis, I got the idea that I need to be established library named as React Query Force. That's why I implemented some thoughts and improved my ideas in that and established a new library. So now your second question is how it helps my juniors or a Talentelgia team. Like we need to establish database queries day by day, and sometimes juniors comes there and they don't know how to create a query and how to create the connections between the database and the query. Then this library will help them to understand how a query generates and how we establish the relation between the table and their data and the fields.
That's really innovative. So I think it can be a last question for you, that why you choose only React query? Why don't you choose any other technology like JavaScript or like Angular or any other?
As you mentioned that in my intro that I am a MERN stack developer. That's why I choose React. Because my goal is to use that tag which I know, which I learned during my tenure. That's why I use the React to establish my library.
So Mr. Abhishek, this is actually a last question, that how you are managing your time for this innovative project or with your office work life?
जैसे कि हम कभी भी इस लाइन में जब भी हम एंटर होते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें अपने पर्सनल एटिकेट्स को मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, जिसमें हमारा आता है पेशेंस, सेकंड थिंग टाइम मैनेजमेंट, थर्ड पॉइंट इज़ वर्क मैनेजमेंट. सो हम पहले से इस चीज़ के लिए ट्रिगर होते हैं कि हमको अपने जो बैलेंस है, लाइफ बैलेंस है, वो कैसे करनी होती है. और मैं अंत में एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा सभी के लिए कि आप अगर किसी भी सिचुएशन में फंस जाते हो तो सबसे पहले ना 3 रूल्स में ध्यान रखना. व्हाट, क्या है वो प्रॉब्लम, देन सेकंड वन इज़ व्हाई, वो क्यों है, एंड देन थर्ड वन इज़ हाउ वी कैन फिक्स दैट. सो उससे जब भी हम कभी भी किसी प्रॉब्लम्स में, किसी भी सिचुएशन में जहाँ पे हमें सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलता, वहाँ पर उस चीज़ को अंडरस्टैंड करना, उस चीज़ को समझने में आसानी मिलती है. एंड लास्ट थिंग दैट इज़ नेवर डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स.
So thank you Abhishek, we really had a great communication with you, and in the ending the words you said, that was really motivating and inspiring to everyone. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in our next podcast.